Welcome to our channel. If you want to understand how to use typing indicators safely on TSA website services, follow this quick guide for secure online interactions. Step 1. Visit the official TSA website at tsa.gov to access services like TSA pre-check application, security checkpoint wait times, and travel information. Step 2. Understand that the TSA website is primarily informational and doesn't have live chat features with typing indicators like messaging apps. Most interactions are form-based. Step 3. When filling out forms on the TSA website, ensure you're on a secure connection by checking for https:// in the URL and a padlock icon in your browser. Step 4. Only enter personal information on official TSA pages. Be wary of phishing sites that may look similar but are designed to steal information. Step 5. If you're using the TSA's contact form or application pages, type your information carefully and review it before submitting to avoid errors. Step 6. Don't share sensitive information like social security numbers or passport details unless you're on verified, secure TSA pages specifically requesting that information. Step 7. Use a secure private internet connection when entering personal data. Avoid public Wi-Fi networks when submitting sensitive information to TSA services. Step 8. Enable two-factor authentication if available for your TSA pre-check account or related services to add an extra layer of security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.